How to create new pages and add them to the menu in Wix Studio. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will take you step by step on how to do this simple process. So we're going to ensure that you create a proper page for your site or pages, and then we can also add them to our main menu so that people can navigate to them easier and faster. So let's just go ahead and get started. First, you'll need to just go ahead and open up your Wix Studio login and open up your design site, or the site editor, sorry, by clicking on design site. And once this loads in, I'm going to show you what we need to do next. Okay, so once you're logged in and you are in the site editor, you should be taken to the home page by default, but we just want to go ahead and start by creating new pages. And to do so, it's very simple. You just want to go to the left panel here where you'll be able to add elements and stuff, and you just want to click on the third one, which should say pages. So just go and click on pages, and then from here you just want to click on add new page at the bottom. So just go ahead and click on that, and then I'm just going to click on add a normal page, a standard blank page, or you can even go for a dynamic page where you can just go ahead and design it once, and then you can just go ahead and it's more like a template. But I'm just going to create a blank one, name it new, or let's just name it test page 1, hit enter, and obviously here we can feel free to design it to our liking. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and add an image in this section just so we can make it a little bit different, make it as a background, and I'm pretty good with this currently with this page. And again, if you want to create another page, you can just go to pages, same thing here, add a new page, again with a blank one, and you can just feel free to name it whatever. So I'm just going to name it test page 2. And here we can just go ahead and add something else, like a, let's just go ahead and add a video this time. And also stretch it so that it is full. For the actual entire background. Okay, so now that we have our new pages, and we obviously feel free to design it however we like, now we just want to add a menu and add these new pages to that menu. So first, let me just go ahead and access my home page. So I'm just going to go to the top here, click on home. And now I don't really have a menu yet, so I'm just going to go ahead and add one. Click on add elements, go to quick add. You should find it over here, menu. So I'm just going to go ahead and attach it to the header here, and click on the menu itself first, and then just click on manage menu. And once you click on manage menu, you basically want to add more pages. To do so, you just click on add items, and then you're just going to go ahead and click on main pages, and I'm just going to select these two pages that we just created. And if you don't see them, just click on show more pages, and in here you can actually see all the pages that are in this store, or your website. And I did not confirm the changes, so let me just go ahead and do it again. Click on apply, and now you can see we have our new pages ready on our menu. So this is it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.